Hello, welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. Second day of the duck season here in Wisconsin. Opener was a little tough, lots of rain, just tons of rain. We shot like 13 ducks. We ended up being like a group of 5. We just joined up with another group and we all were in the same area, so we decided to hunt together and we shot 13 ducks on the day. Here's a few clips of them right here, but right above us, right above us.
Watch, Red, watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot him again.
Shoot him, boys. Right here.
For the most part, it was just a rainy, crappy day. We're back. You guys hear that? We're back in our spot right now. And it seems to be that we're surrounded by mallards, wood ducks, teal. There's all kinds of birds around. Should be a fun morning. We're pretty hopeful based on the weather and just how the birds are sounding right now. We got about 10 minutes to shooting time here. But we're hunting Wisconsin public land. Second day of the season. Got a few real decoys out. Got the shoddy shell pouch in my hand and we're ready to bang away. Also hunting my buddy Shane Cook. He owns Red Sky Outdoors. It's a guide service, southern Wisconsin. So if you guys are looking to get on a hunt in southern Wisconsin, hit up Shane on Facebook. He's got a website, Red Sky Outdoors. And good dude to hunt with, fun to hunt with. Hopeful, should have a good hunt this morning. Birds are flying around a little bit. Shooting time in a few minutes and hopefully we knock a few down this morning. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Chase. Oh, yeah. He came out of nowhere. I should have drilled him with my first shot though. Just caught me off guard. Well, I saw him fly by over here to my right and his wings were set. And I saw him bank and then I couldn't see him anymore. And all, huh? No, he went behind us. And then all of a sudden he swung back and tried to land on the spinner. Yeah.
Oh, there's a duck right in the decoy.
Where at?
Woody.
Where at?
To the right of the spinners. You see
Oh,
him?
yeah. Yep.
Blast him. Red.
Left. Coming at us.
Wow.
There's one coming towards us. See him? Nice shot. Good shot.
Red. Good boy. Here, fetch it up.
Good shot, dude.
Thanks. Fetch it up.
Here, coming right at us again.
Fetch.
Oh, never mind. It's not a mallard.
Fetch.
Like they'd be like, I got that one.
Yeah.
I'm like, yep, you sure did. We hunted with this decoy. Good shot.
Watch.
Looks pretty dead. Good shot.
Finally got the lead.
I just reached in my phone and I was like this on your second shot.
Yeah.
I was like this and then I put my phone in my pocket, was just about to squeeze one off and you knocked him down. Yeah.
I think that has to do something with pattern, like that they do all like sort of fly at the same time or some
Yep.
weird shit like in their heads. I don't know.
Like when the sun hits them or something?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
There's still mallards sitting down back there. I just heard them. Did you hear them quack? Yeah.
Good man. Ooh, my foot is stuck. Good boy. Hopefully it's banded.
All right. 9 more. Could be 7.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front, right in front. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Right there.
Dude.
Son?
Dude, I'm like one for something.
That sucker was coming right in on you, dude.
I know, I was looking at the other one.
Oh, really?
The other one was kind of thinking about it too, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
What the frick? Oh, here it comes. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Go.
Shoot him.
The other one's belly up already.
Yep.
Good shooting. Good shooting, buddy.
Yeah.
I was on the right one. Here comes 2 more. Coming right at us, right to us. See them?
Yeah, let's shoot him.
Yep. Did you shoot the one that crossed in front?
No, that was you.
Okay.
I shot the hen.
Yeah. Okay, because it was on the right side.
Yeah.
And then it switched at the last second, so I was like, I almost switched birds, but I didn't end up switching.
Is this a black duck?
It looks like it.
It's a black duck.
It is a black duck.
Here, no, got another dead bird. Dead bird, here. Ah. Isn't that cool to start
Sweet.
the year, dude? What, that?
Can I, is that the one
Wow.
that's the one I shot?
This
right?
is the one
Yeah.
I shot.
Oh, I thought
You shot the Drake.
farther left.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay. That was one that crossed, wasn't it?
This is the one I shot right out.
Right here? Yeah.
Right, that.
That's cool.
No, you're not going to play with my black duck, Brad.
Oh, Woody.
You're not bucking. You heard him?
Yeah. He's still kind of up a little. I'm going to walk over there and put another round in him.
Yeah, we got the sun in their eye now, too.
That's going to be some badass pictures right there.
Neither of them sold very many duck calls. Oh, get him.
They might come back here.
Oh, yeah. All right, get him.
Hold on. Okay. The other one flew away?
No, we got both of them.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
There was a third. Oh, yeah, sweet. That last one was like I stepped out from the cattails. Are they both down?
Yeah, they're both probably out.
Okay.
Red!
That was sweet, dude.
Now we're doing real. Now we've been seeing good amount of birds. We might need to sit here
A little longer, yeah. Well,
for a or whatever.
until I run out of shells. It's funny, I left my extra shells in my truck this morning on purpose. I was like, I'm not gonna need all of them.
Yeah.
Because I only had like 24 in this bag. I think I had a little under a box. Whatever I shot yesterday. Should I kill the spinners or what? I think they're wood ducks. There's more left too, yeah. Good shot.
Might as well take the one that's in the back.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna land. I was gonna see if these other two are gonna come. That's perfect.
Wow, they just like, dude, you see them? They just landed.
All right, we are up to 9 birds on the morning. We shot a couple teal. We shot a ringneck, 2 mallards.
Yep.
We shot a black duck and 3 wood ducks. So it's been a nice mixed bag kind of day. Most of the ducks we've shot, actually all the ducks we shot have been like 15, 20 yards out in front of us. And it's been fun. There's one flying right straight away. But it's been a fun little hunt this morning. We'll be definitely happy with 9 birds. We've missed 3, so we could be packing up right now. So we'll see what happens here in the next half an hour or so and go from there. But day 2 of the Wisconsin Northern Opener has gone really well so far. It's been a good hunt. What do you, right? You agree? Good hunt?
Yeah.
Fun.
Hunt, man.
Yeah, fun. It's been fun. Should we shoot him?
Yeah.
Go. There's... That one might need another shell in it though. Did you hit it?
Yeah, it's dead.
Sweet. If we had 1 left, I'd say let's go.
Yeah.
But if we have 2 left.
Drop.
All right, that is a wrap on our hunt today. It was a fun and we ended our day with 10 birds. We shot 3 mallards, 3 wood ducks, 2 teal, a ringer, a black duck, and I think that's it. Pretty sure that's it. Red did great. Had a couple nice long retrieves, a couple blind ones, 1 wounded. That was pretty cool too. But it was a fun morning. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you go give Shane Cook a look. Red Sky Outdoors. He's on Facebook, and he's a guide in South Central Wisconsin. But we had a fun hunt today. Knocked down a bunch of different birds, and it was a fun one. So duck season's back in the swing of things, and should be a fun season. See you guys in the next one.